So, how's it going? Yeah. My name is Ashley Austin. I work with our large enterprise customers and our strategic accounts here at Workato. The most interesting one most recently that I wanted to talk about, they're basically a big oil and gas company. And they have field engineers that are out there, and safety is number one for them. Field engineers had to fill out all these forms, and then somebody had to take all that data and put it back into their systems. So they used Workato. They just fill in the form on the application, and it automatically sends all that data back to all the various systems. They estimated it would have taken about 18 months to 2 years to get this into production. What they did with Workato, they did it in, from start to finish, I think 2 months. It has changed their safety program immensely.